Hello guys, this is Sanjita and today I'm going to show you my plants which are there in my house and I love them so much. Okay, but please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and please support me guys so that I can make so many videos. And let's begin. See, this is my grass plant. It looks a bit like a tape grass, but I'm not sure it's a tape grass. And this, when I went to nursery to buy this plant, it was like wow, full of the plant was like flowers, and it looked very beautiful. But I'm so sad about this. It's not even growth is stopped, and the flowers are not coming. Oh, I'm so sad. And this, it will be so nice. And see these flowers. Oh my gosh, see on top also there is a flower. Can you see? Not a one flower, a lots of flowers have come for this plant and I love it. And I think so you know this. And for this pink flowers will come, and for this yellow, same plant but the color flowers is other. And you know, I'm thinking this is bonsai and this flower, oh my gosh, it looks so nice. And it looks like we have painted and we have kept a hole for a paper, but it looks very nice. I love it so much. And this is croton. I love this croton. And see, oh my gosh, the roots have got spread out. And I was like, what are these? Then it is roots. And this is my Buddha fountain. The water are not coming because we have not given the connection, power connection, or else from here water will come, but we have not give the connection. And the pigeons have spoiled because we didn't give the connection, because we have bought a new aquarium, so that we didn't. And this plant, for this pink will come, pink flowers. And one day I woke up and I saw this plant. It was what, these many flowers have come? Whole plant was like flower. And I was like, oh my gosh. And you know this, I'm thinking tulsi plant. And this goes to jasmine plant. See this flower. See this flower. In jasmine, another kind. And this is also a jasmine flower. I love jasmine so much. This is curry leaf. Even though this is also a croton. See? Oh, all the crotons in my home got their roots out. I have to buy a big mud pot, and I have to keep. This is also a tulsi. This is Bilvam Patta, and I brought it from Srisailam when we went. This is also a tulsi, and this is the eggplant. Eggplant got so many flowers, but there is no egg. I love it. And jasmine. I told you that I love jasmine. I love so much, and I love the smell. Morning when I woke up, I'll run out of my bedroom, then I'll come. I will smell it. It will be so nice. See. Oh, this is Gongura Wiltel, right? That one. And my palak fully gone because of pigeons. And now I'm going to show you my cactus. See my cactus. Oh my gosh. See, I've just brought only this much piece from my cousin's house, and I have kept. Oh, it grew this much. And there's like, oh, when it was in my home, it was so small. And when it came to, and I was like, I was laughing. And this is my snake plant. We bought, actually they told for this plant snakes will not come, but I didn't buy for the trees, and it looks variety, so I buy. This is also a croton, but this also gone. I'm so sad. And this is also a snake plant. This is aloe vera, and this is my oxygen plant, and this also is my oxygen plant. That oxygen plant got how it got means these are how it came means, suppose there is a leaf broken, then I have dipped it in the soil, so it came like that. I have did 5 or 4 I have kept, so that it came. I was like, oh my gosh, I was so happy. And my sister will tell, oh, she's so tiny. She'll tell, and at that time I'll get so laugh. And I was like, Sanvita, yes. Then I'll tell, she'll tell, I like her funny talks. Now I'm going to show you my mirchi plant. See my mirchi plant? It grew big. Actually, what I did means I have took the red mirchi. I have opened that seeds have come. I have just kept here. I took and I kept. Then I poured water. It grew. Oh, it grew this much. And see my mango plant. How are they all? And please, how are they? Please comment. See my mango plant. And this is also a croton but gone. And this is the flower plant. See the mirchi. Wait, I'm going to show you. I forgot. See the mirchi. See. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. And the climbers. See, my grandmother have kept them. These are all my grandmother kept. I told you the flower plant, right? This one. And these all are climbers only. This is also eggplant. I love her. Then see. I actually tied it. See, this is also a curry leaf. We bought very small one, but it grew this much. I was so happy. This is also a mango plant. This is tomato, and there is a surprise for you guys. See my rose. Oh my god, how beautiful it is. I love it so much. And hibiscus. I'll show you the flower of hibiscus. See, purple. These all are cactus only, except this. I don't know what plant is this. My mother have bought. This is also a cactus. All will tell it's a drumstick, but it's not a drumstick. And even though this is also my oxygen plants, I told you, right? So I have kept. In some days they're gonna come. And this is also my eggplants. They all are these all are eggplants. This is gongura, and that is elephant palm, will tell, right? That one, this one. It looks so nice. That is that. And I'll show you my oxygen plant. See, this is my oxygen plant. This is my money plant. This is one kind of money plant. I'll show you another kind also. See my other kind of money plant. We have it is also a climber. See, it has climbed. And thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.